Welcome. Let's explore the fascinating first week of human development. In this chapter, we will cover the key events that take place during the first 7 days after fertilization, from the formation of the zygote to implantation in the uterus. Understanding these early stages is crucial for grasping the foundation of human development. Fertilization is the process by which a sperm cell fuses with an egg cell to form a zygote, marking the beginning of a new human life. Fertilization takes place in the uterine tube's ampulla, where eggs that have already been released from the ovary are awaiting fertilization. Sperm travels from the vagina through the uterus and fallopian tube to the end of the fallopian tube called ampulla of the fallopian tube. Only a small percentage of the 15 million ejaculated sperm make it to the tube, and only one of them participates in fertilization reaction. Sperm binding to the zona pellucida of the secondary oocyte triggers the acrosome reaction, releasing enzymes that facilitate sperm penetration and prevent polyspermy. Cortical lysosomal enzymes in oocytes aid in preventing polyspermy, called cortical reaction. Sperm and secondary oocyte membranes fuse, allowing only the sperm's nuclear contents and centriole pair to enter the oocyte's cytoplasm. The sperm tail and mitochondria degenerate, resulting in exclusive maternal inheritance of mitochondria and, consequently, disorders of mitochondria are maternal in origin. Syngamy is a term that describes a successful completion of fertilization, that is, the formation of a zygote. Syngamy occurs when the male and female pronuclei fuse and the cytoplasmic machinery for proper cell division exists. The lifespan of a zygote is only a few hours because its existence terminates when the first cleavage division occurs. The zygote undergoes cleavage, a series of rapid mitotic divisions. The cells divide completely but asymmetrically, forming blastomeres. By the 16-cell stage, the embryo is called a morula, which continues to divide. Around day 4, fluid accumulates, forming a hollow blastocyst. The inner cell mass, embryoblast, will become the embryo, while the outer layer, trophoblast, forms the placenta. Once the blastocyst is fully formed, it must find a place to attach and begin its next crucial stage, implantation. Implantation is the process by which the blastocyst embeds itself into the endometrial lining of the uterus, establishing the foundation for pregnancy. Implantation begins around day 6 to 7 after fertilization. The blastocyst must first shed its zona pellucida to interact with the uterus. Once exposed, the blastocyst attaches to the endometrial lining, marking the first step of implantation. To further secure implantation, the trophoblast differentiates into 2 layers: the cytotrophoblast, which remains cellular, and the syncytiotrophoblast, which aggressively invades the maternal tissue to anchor the embryo and establish early nutrient exchange. While implantation is a critical step in normal pregnancy, sometimes it occurs in an abnormal location, leading to potential complications like ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy occurs when implantation happens outside the uterus, requiring medical intervention due to potential complications. Twinning happens when a zygote splits into 2 embryos or when 2 oocytes are fertilized separately. This results in either monozygotic, identical, or dizygotic fraternal twins. From a single cell to a rapidly developing embryo, week 1 is the first step of an extraordinary journey. Stay tuned for more insights into the miracle of life. Join us today and take the first step towards success.